my affectionate students. In the course of explaining time and tense, the next to be explained to is present perfect progressive. In this tense, two things reveal, that is point of time and period of time. With point of time we use since or from, and with period of time we use from, for. Supposing that since Monday, since July 15, since morning, since 2015, and since evening. And for period of time, for 2 weeks, for 2 months, for 2 years, for 2 hours, and for 2 days. Framing sentences is based on subject plus has or have plus been plus before plus for or since in positive statement. Supposing that he has been working since Monday. If you want to show duration, period of time, if you want to show period of time, you have to write or speak. He has been working for 2 weeks. He has been reading since July 15, and for period of time he has been reading for 2 months. He has been working since morning, and with period of time he has been working for 2 years. In positive statement we use subject this formula, but in negative statement you are to change hasn't and haven't plus been plus before. He has not been working since Monday. He has not been working for 2 days. He has not been reading since July 15. He has not been reading for 2 months. He has not been working since morning. He has not been working for 2 years. He has been reading. He has not been reading since 2015, and he has not been reading for 2 hours. In negative statement, this one is negative statement. And if you want to frame sentences in interrogative, positive or interrogative negative, you are to place has or have first in the beginning. Has or have plus subject plus been plus has or have plus subject plus been plus before. Has he been working since Monday? Has he been working for 2 weeks? Has he been reading since July 15? Has he been reading for 2 hours or 2 months? And in negative, interrogative negative, you are to do hasn't or haven't plus subject plus been plus before. Hasn't he been working since Monday? Hasn't he been working for 2 days? Hasn't he been reading since July 15? Hasn't he been reading for 2 months? This way, you are to frame sentences based on present perfect progressive. My affectionate students, I will give you some homework on present perfect and present perfect progressive, which you are to do. Thanks, have a nice day.